which can be applied to different areas, which can be applied whether you are in-house, whether you are in practice. Okay, so we will talk of transferable skills. This is the first one, like, this is very relevant. Oratory skills, your ability to speak. Okay, and I remember one situation very well from my student days. I was coordinating a training program, right? I was coordinating and I was arranging the speakers. I was reaching out to different lawyers and all of that for like taking sessions and coordinating and planning the time with them and doing all of that, right? So I particularly remember one indirect tax lawyer. Okay, I went to his office. I told him that I am here to, like, coordinate and plan your session for this program, and he called me to his office. And then I went there, and when I went into his chambers, he was like sitting down there, and then he was talking, and I kind of said that, sir, we would like to have you take the session in this program and all. And the guy immediately stood up and he started pacing down the room, right? And I was very nervous. I was like, oh my God, what is he going to do? Like, has he seen me or something? Because what I did is I told him that sir, I had seen you at this session before, and I really like that session of yours. And I believe that, if you take a session in this program also, it will be very helpful. And this guy started pacing, and I was like, oh my God, what is going to say? And then all of a sudden, after that pacing, he says that, have you considered litigation as a career? Right? And this was a complete bomb for me, because like I wasn't even thinking anything like that. And I had gone to him only to just, arrange this session and everything. And he is like, and I was at a very junior level, like, student at that time, and I wasn't even thinking of all of those things. So I told him that uh, I don't have any kind of knowledge to do this. Like, I don't know how to do these things. I have no clue what to speak, and I have no clue, like, what the things are about, what indirect tax and all of that is about. I just liked your session, so I came to invite you. And he was still pacing, and he told me that it is not like, the knowledge at all. And I was like, wow, this guy who's really an expert in indirect taxes, he's telling me this. And he's saying it's not the knowledge at all. He says that it is the ability to stand up and speak what you think. Okay, and now because you have come here and you were sitting down and you are talking with me about what you want and why you want this and all of that very clearly, without, like, goofing up, without getting stammering or doing any kind of things. So then I'm like, talking about this with you, and I was like, sir, I don't know, I will think for something. At that point of time, I hadn't even considered all of those things. But this is what happened. So, oratory skills, the guy ultimately told me that it's not so much of your knowledge, but it's your ability to stand up and speak and express yourself clearly about what you want, right? So, oratory skills, this is what he told me about. Like, and he was a very good indirect tax lawyer. So, now, do you know people who always seem to gather a crowd around them? Like you've seen probably, there will be people in your college all the time. They are surrounded by other people, and they seem to be attracting people towards them, like magnets, because of the way they speak and because of how they are able to communicate and get through to people. They are always surrounded by a crowd. How many of you seen people like this? Say yes. In your college, in your batchmates, classmates, they always seem to gather a crowd around them. They are like yeah. So this is what they are capable to do. They are able to, like, get through, speak up things very smoothly, very easily. They are able to communicate and get through to people. Okay, they have very good oratory skills. And people, when they start speaking, people kind of find it so interesting, and this is not necessarily really knowledgeable speakers. There are some people who are very skilled at telling stories.